Hi all, I am Ritu Arora this side, and I'm a corporate trainer by profession. Today we are going to talk about date formulas in Excel, which has been required a lot. So in cell C2 I have the start date, which has been 1st January 2020, and to get the current date, if I want the today's date, the formula in Excel is today, open and close bracket. You don't have to input any cell inside it. It's basically you have to give equal to today, open and close bracket, and once you press enter, you'll see the date come in the format of the system date. It is, in my case, it is coming the month first, then date and year. If you wish to change the date format directly, you have to press Ctrl Shift and hash. If you press Ctrl Shift and hash, it comes the medium date. So I have pressed today and then Ctrl Shift and hash. Now we are going to use the formula named as now. It gives you date and time both. So in this case, it's giving you date and time, and this will keep on updating. Whenever you are going to open this sheet, it will give you the system time and the date. So this is basically the formula now. If you wish to change the format of this also, you have to go to the format cells, and then you have to go to the custom, and in custom you can define your own format by deleting on type. So on type, if you format dd hyphen mm 2 times gives you 03. If you put 3 times, it gives you March. Similar way, 4 times YY gives you 2021, comma, if you want to give the time, it will come as HH colon MM. For seconds also you can define SS. So you can use these symbols to give your own date format. If you don't want seconds, you can just remove them. Now if you click on OK, you'll see the format there. So this is like now function, and then basically you have to go to the format cell and give the format. Now in cell B7, I want year from today. I'll be using the cell today, and I want to extract the year. To extract the year, there is a formula named as year, and choose the today cell. Once I close the bracket, I'll get 2021. So to get any year from that cell, you have to type the formula equal to year. For month, the formula name is month, and choose this cell and close the bracket. Now you'll be getting as 3. Many people ask me why we get 3 and not the March. See, the storage is 15 and hyphen and 3 and not the March. So whenever you apply the Excel formula, it's always on the storage. So that's why it will be 3. Now for the date, it will be, the formula will be day, and I'll be using again the today cell and press enter. So I'll get 15. Now to calculate hour, minute, second, I've written already. So it's hour, and I'm choosing now the now cell. So you'll get 12. For minute, the formula will be minute, and then I'm choosing this cell. So in this way, basically we got hour, minute, and for second, it is again the second, and I'm choosing this cell C4. So with this, we got basically year, month, day, hour, minute, and second. To get any weekday, we'll apply the formula weekday, and I'm choosing the date today. Now if I'll close the bracket, I'll get a weekday. It comes in this format, in the date format. You have to say right click and go to format cells and say general. If you say general, it will give you basically 2. Why? Basically why it is coming 2? Sunday has been treated as 1 and Monday as 2. So if you want Monday as 1, you have to say C3 comma, and then you can define. So over here, like by default, it is showing 1 as Sunday and 7 as Saturday. I'll be choosing 1 as Monday. So I have to choose this option, and if I'll close the bracket, it will give me 1. 1 means as Monday. I hope you have learned, guys. Thank you.